Do you ever unload your dishwasher and as you're putting away your cutlery, you notice that your tray is filled with crumbs or dirt, and then you want to empty everything out, but you just don't have time? So then you're frustrated because it's that one other thing that gets added to your to-do list. Enter this mini vacuum. Guys, I'm in love. One of the girls on my team invested in this vacuum earlier this year, and while I saw the benefit of it, I wasn't running to get it thinking, I'll just use my larger cordless vacuum. But let me ask you, do you really want to put your floor vacuum in your cutlery drawers? No, that's really why I was moved to purchase this vacuum. My son spilled rice in my cabinet, and how nice it was to just grab this mini vacuum to clean it up. It's great for cars, and if you want to use it as a quick picker up on your floors, it works too. It also comes with an attachment that allows you to use the vacuum to blow up air mattresses or blow out dirt and cracks. All you have to do is reverse the connection. It also comes with a spare filter. And you know, for the cost, this is a no-brainer addition. I highly recommend this mini vacuum.